If we look at a worked example for that, the work function for gold is 7.84 times 10 to the minus 19 joules. And so a piece of gold is illuminated with radiation of frequency 1.5 times 10 to the 15. Determine if photoelectrons will be emitted from the gold foil. So photoelectrons means electrons which are ejected by photons. So there's more than one way of approaching this problem. You can take the work function and use it to work out the threshold frequency and compare the frequencies, or you could take the frequency of the photons coming in, the light that's coming in, and work out their equivalent energy and compare the energies. In this example here, we're comparing the frequencies. So we take our work function equals hf naught equation, rearrange to get f naught. We get 1.18 times 10 to the 15 hertz. And because the light coming in is greater than that threshold frequency, then photoelectrons will be emitted.